Friends, before that we are discussed on so many topics, but today's topic is very sensitive as concerned to students. The topic is important study tips. We are going to discuss on important study tips one by one. First of all, I will list that important study tips one by one. Keep the habit of meditation regularly. Plan a regular time to study. Set specific goals for their study times. Choose a quiet place where you will not to be disturbed. When you study, try to study an entire lesson or entire chapter. Take a 5 to 10 minutes gap after each 45 minutes. Then we are considering when you finish whole lesson or chapter, you feel a accomplishment, a great accomplishment. When you feel sleepy, take a short break. You will not learn much, if anything, if you are not alert. Go throughout curriculum in details. Then analyze on the basis of mark with respect to theoretical as well as numerical. Then start as per your interest. Means if you are interested in theory subject or in numerical, with respect to that you are going to start. The next important point is that resolve from previous year question paper and model answer. Then this is one of the important thing, we are going to use 30-70 formula first. We are going to discuss on the same topic in detail later on. Write down the doubts and clear that by teacher or discussing in a group. Practice a solving question paper with respect to time or within time. Discuss concept with your friends or in a group. Take a proper food and relax anytime. So if you are feeling tired, relax anytime. Now we are going to discuss all these things one by one. Here we are considering that meditation means exercise. So do the exercise on daily basis. Then plan a regular time. So it means that students are confused. So at which time we are going to study or we will go to study. So there are two times. One is at the time of night and second one is at the time of early morning. So I thought that early morning is a better time. So there is no disturbance. So it is one of the better time. Decide that fixed time in each and every day, and at that same time you are going to study. Then choose quiet place. Now here we are having library, one of the quiet place if there is no disturbance. Otherwise at your home, so choose a quiet place and so prepare your study. When you study, try to study an entire lesson. Divide the lesson in number of parts and then complete that entire part. And it is a scientific thing. So our memory will grasp up to 45 minutes. So take the gap or break of 5 to 10 minutes after every 45 minutes. That is important thing to study regularly and do the smart work. Smart work is important, not only hard work. When you finish your whole lesson, you feel better, or so so you will get that satisfaction. Go through the curriculum. So we are not considering the curriculum. We are doing our study without any analyzation. It means that we are considering either theoretical or numerical. But first of all, analyze that one with respect to our mark or mark base. So go through that curriculum neatly, carefully, and then start your study. After then we are considering the one of the important thing, that is the 30-70 formula. In each and every paper or in each and every curriculum, so we are having 30% syllabus. That is very important. So we are going to focus on the 30% syllabus. First of all, we are reading all these topics carefully, and then we are going to focus 30% syllabus, and that 30% syllabus you will give the 70% mark. And second thing is that 70% syllabus is there, so it is having that secondary importance, and it will give the 30 marks. Those are interested to get the out of out mark, they are going to study throughout. But so if you are using 30-70 formula, it is useful for you. The next one is the practice the solving the question paper with respect to time. That is the important. So we are going to practice the question paper with respect to time, and that question paper and model answers are now available on the net or on in your textbook or reference book. So go through that one and cross check that one. Discuss the concept with your friend if you are not understanding, and then so that will be clear with the help of your teachers. Take a proper food, that is one of the important thing. With relaxation, so if you are thinking now I am tired, so take the relaxation. It means that take the proper sleep. So according to science or scientific reason, so 7 hours minimum, so sleep is required. So take the relaxation up to minimum 7 hours. So thank you very much for listening this one. Go through that all these points, it is helpful. The SVGA vision is always trying to give the proper guidance, education, and this video is prepared for only education purpose. Thank you very much.